Feeling queasy and need relief? Here are 5 home remedies to stop nausea fast. Ginger to the rescue. Sip fresh ginger tea or ginger candies that can settle your stomach. Peppermint power. Breathe in peppermint oil or apply a drop to your temples. Deep breathing and relaxation. Find a quiet spot. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Then exhale for 6. Stay hydrated. Take small sips of water every few minutes. Dehydration worsens nausea. Eat lightly. Munch on plain crackers, toast, or a banana to absorb excess stomach acid. If nausea persists with severe pain or fever, seek medical care. Worried you can't shake that nausea? Find out what's going on right now for free with the Ubie Symptom Checker, the only doctor-approved AI, trusted by millions. And don't forget to tap like and follow for more health and wellness tips you can trust.